What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another review. So this video, I'm going to be talking about the Eureka PowerSpeed vacuum. I have had this vacuum for about a year and a half. So this is going to be a more of an update, how it's holding up, and the things that I like about it. So as you can see, yes, it is a vacuum that we use often, and it does an excellent job in our house picking up dust and pet hair on vinyl flooring, okay? So let's talk about the settings here real quick. Obviously, since we have a lot of bare floor in this house, we usually keep it on the bare floor setting here. We do have a couple low kind of area rugs in our house, and we do take it up to this notch. We do not have any high carpet in our house, so I can't tell you how this vacuum performs on a high carpet, but as you guys can see, on the low carpet and the bare floor, it gets a ton of dust and dirt up off the floor. So that's one thing that we really like about this vacuum. It has a couple filters here on the top. One thing that I really hated about bagged, carpet cleaners, it is the fact that you get a lot of dust, right? And surprisingly, this thing is a bagless, and it actually carries a lot of the dust inside. It never comes out the exhaust here on the bottom. So the filters on the top do a really, really good job in protecting, and it's really easy to empty this can. All we have to do is here on the bottom is just unlatch this, and all of the contents dump out the bottom. And then when we're done, we just take it and it's kind of hard to do single-handedly there, but you can see it's really easy to take the can and empty it and clean it and stuff like that. So real quickly, the attachments that come with it, it comes with 3 separate attachments. This one, which is really good for like if you have pets or anything like a couch, it's really easy to clean chairs. This one is really good. We have these style baseboards here that are flat, and this is really good to kind of put on the hose that you can detach right here, and you can get all of these, kind of harder to reach areas, up on this cord around here and up on this ledge here of the baseboard that we have. So as you can see here, it's got a super long cord. I'm 6 feet tall, right? And this thing reaches almost 5 feet. So it's got a really good length on here. And the cord reaches a really long ways. We have a 2-story, a fairly large house. And sometimes the areas that we need to get to are, clear across the living room. And this cord has tons and tons of length, enough for us to get all of the areas around our house. And the last attachment that we use a lot too is this kind of skinnier attachment. So these are the 3 attachments that come with it. This is the power button, and this allows you to do 2 separate settings like any standard vacuum. So the last piece to this, which is kind of like a hidden feature most people don't know, is this right here. Actually, this lever actually allows you to, we'll see if we can get it. We'll get it unplugged here for you. There you go. So it allows you to use this as kind of like a wand if you need to go up and use, maybe get up on top of your TV and maybe grab your wand here, kind of get on top of your dresser drawers and stuff like that. That's something that I really, really liked about it, is that you can connect this, and the hose right here connects in the back, and you can now use this wand with one of the 3, right? We usually use this one a lot, and we just use it, and we use it along so we don't have to get on our hands and knees, and we just run it to collect all the dust, okay? So this thing is super versatile. We haven't had a single issue with this vacuum in the, like I said, a year and a half that we've had this vacuum, and this thing gets used a lot. I've got 3 kids and 1 dog, right? So tons of dust, tons of hair, and it gets all of it. Haven't had a single issue with it whatsoever. So definitely, if you guys are interested in checking out the Eureka PowerSpeed vacuum, I give it a stamp of approval, because it definitely does the job that we need to in our family of 5 house, okay? Hopefully you guys got value out of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.